Wagwan everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Big up to all of my subscribers, big up to all of my viewers. So right now, we're just gonna get straight into it. Today, I'm gonna do some Jamaican stew peas for the first time. So just stay tuned for that. Boom. Yeah, so I got my pigtail right here. Yeah, already cut up. Yeah, as you can see, small slices. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add some vinegar to it, yeah, and wash it off, get it cleaned up. And I got some red peas right over here, yeah. So my red peas was in soak for almost maybe about 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna jump right back over to clean up my pigtail right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna get my pigtail clean up right now. So I'm adding the vinegar to it right now. Yeah, adding my vinegar to it right now. So when I do that, get some water on it. Yeah, and then I just dig in, get it washed off real clean and nice. Yeah, and then normally what I do, I just take the fatty part off, like these part, I get them off. You know, you don't want to eat in with all these fatty parts on it, so I try to get them off. You know, yeah, so that's how it's done. You know, yeah, so what I try to do, I try to wash the pigtail more than one time because the pigtail is really salty. It has a lot of salt to it, guys. Yeah, so I have to wash it more than one time. So I'm gonna throw off this water off it now. Oh, sorry. And then get some more water to it. Best if you try to wash it more than one time because pigtail, it got a lot of salt in it, so you need to get most of that salt out, or else you're gonna eat a salty food and you don't want that. So I finally clean up my pigtail now. So what I'm gonna do right now is add my pigtail to my pot that I'm gonna boil it in. Yeah, and then after, just gonna get some water on it right now. So what I'm gonna do with this right now, I'm just gonna put it on the stove and get it to boil for maybe about 10-15 minutes. Yeah, so I'm gonna boil my pigtail right now. So why I'm gonna boil it? Because it helped me to get the salt out of the pigtail. I don't want too much salt in it. I just want a little bit. You know what I mean? So if you don't boil it, you know, you're gonna have a lot of salt, and you know salt is not good for you. And as I am saying right now, I'm not gonna cook it like you or like your mom or like your grandmom. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it my way. And today is actually my first day doing it. You know what I mean? So just stay tuned with me. All right. Yeah, so I put my pigtail on the fire right now. Yeah, getting it ready to boil. So yeah, so just tune in for that. Yeah, as soon as I get it boiled, throw this water off, add some more to it, boil it one more time, and then yeah, as you can see right now, my pigtail is boiling. Yeah, so I'm getting out all of that salt out of it. Yeah, and I have my pressure cooker right over there. I just add in my red peas in it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna let the red peas cook for a bit, and then after I just put my red peas and my pigtail together and allow it to cook. Okay, yeah, so as I said, this is my first time doing stew peas, so please let me know in the comment section what do you think about it. Okay, so what I'm about to do right now, I'm gonna strain the water off, get all of this water out, and then add some fresher water and put it back and let it boil for at least about 10 to 15 minutes more. Yeah, so yeah, just yep, so I'm gonna strain all that water off right now. Yes, okay, and then I'm gonna get some fresh water to it right now. Yep, so I'm getting rid of all of that salt come out of it. So finally I had my red peas and my pigtail into one pot now. Yeah, looking really nice. Yeah, and as you can see, look at this pigtail is so tender. You see that? Yeah, so to it right now. Yeah, so I'm just gonna add all of my ingredients that need to go inside, like my coconut juice and my scallion and onion and all this stuff. Yeah, so just stay tuned while I show you that. Are my seasoning that I'm gonna use in the pot right now. So I'm just gonna cut these seasonings up, cut all of them up. Yep. Get them ready, get that pot tasty. Can't cook stew peas without adding your bell pepper, your scallion, your onion, you know what I mean? Yeah, but as I said, it's my first time and I really want this one to come out good. So just let me know what you think about it and how you actually do your stew peas. Okay? Yep, so I'm just cutting all of these together. Give it a nice taste. Yep. Try to get some decent cuts. Yeah. Get some decent cut, man. So this hot pepper right now, I'm not gonna cut it or anything like that. I'm just gonna bore it like that. Yeah. And then add it to the pot. In that bad boy right here. Come on. Get all those seasoning cut. Chop them right. Do you like those chopped? Wow, so unique, man. So unique. Yeah, and forgot to show you some time right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out a few pieces. Yeah, I think this will work. And I'm just gonna wash it off. Yeah, so I'm gonna put everything into the pot right now. Wow, you see that color? Yeah, it's coming on perfect. So I'm just gonna add all my seasoning into the pot right now. Yep. Put all of those in it. Right into it. So nice, isn't it? Look at that flavor. Wow. So beautiful. So beautiful. So yeah guys, just let me know what you think and if I'm doing a good job. Okay, so now I had my coconut milk. I'm gonna add my coconut milk to it right now. Yeah, adding my coconut milk to it, give it that flavor, that nice taste. Yeah, so I'm just giving it this nice flavor and this nice taste right now, people. Jamaican stew peas. Yeah, so just let me know in the comment section if I'm doing it right or if I'm doing it wrong. And remember, I'm not doing it like your mom or your grandma or you. I'm just doing it my way. Okay, yeah, so I got some flour right here, so I'm gonna make some dumpling right now just to add to the pot. You know, in Jamaica we call it spinners. Yeah, so I'm gonna make it right now. Add some water to it, try to get the dumpling to roll. Yeah, without the dumpling it's not a stew piece for me. I don't know for you people, but I love my dumpling in stew peas. I love it. It just give it a vibe, give it that a different, you know, taste and everything like that. Yeah, I really love it, man. This is my dumpling that I'm gonna add to it. So yeah, wow, look at that. Look at that beautiful color. So now I'm just gonna add my dumpling into the pot right now. Yeah, these are the dumplings, small. Yeah, so pretty. Just want to make these dumplings fast as I can. Yeah, I'm not making them too big. I think those are the perfect size. Can't wait to taste it. So nice. I love that color. Look at all the seasoning. Wow. You can smell that. Yeah, I love my dumplings. Yeah, it's not too many. You know, Jamaican style, yardman style. We love our dumpling. We love our dumpling, man. So I'm going to give it a spin right now. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. So beautiful. So nice. I just love the color. Color is so beautiful. So I'm going to have a taste of it right now. Yeah. Yeah, it's really good. That's it. That's it. So we're just gonna close it and leave it for maybe the next 5 minutes, and then we'll turn it off. Yeah people, so I finally finished right now. Yeah, so this is the end result of it. Yeah, and I got some white rice over here just to go with it as well. Yeah man. Yeah, so I'm just gonna taste it right now and see what it's like. Yeah, and yeah people, so right now I come into the ending of this vlog right now. Yeah, so I just want to say thank you again to all of my subscribers and all of my viewers. Big up yourself. Yeah, all I want you to do, guys, please remember to like my videos. Please, that's all I'm asking you for. Like, share, and leave your comment. Yeah, and let me know what you think about my stew piece today. Peace out.